Hello students of the CNET, welcome to this class about listening. We are going to perform better with our listening skills and we need to clarify some words. Then we are going to listen carefully this video and then we are going to solve this question. The first activity is to listen carefully this video and then we solve the questions. Well, you have time to listen to the video and yet that you listen to the video correctly, we are going to solve the activities. The clue are the word that you need to know in order to understand better the activity. The first word is wake. Wake is to cause to become roused from sleep. The second word, don't stare. Don't stare is to or on a lower position. This is the first floor. Jam is a food made from crushed fruit boiled with sugar. This is a marmalade. Break is to cause to come to an end, is to stop. Lunchtime is a period set aside for eating the lunch. And now we are going to solve those questions. What time does Fred wake up? He usually wake up at 7. What does usually Fred have for breakfast? He usually has cereal with orange juice, but sometimes he has a toast with usually jam or honey. How old is the Fred school? The school is quite old. It's been in school for about 400 years. How many students are there? There are about 1,000 students in 7 age group and it's only boys there. How nice is the school food? British school food isn't very nice and you can see by the face of Fred that he don't like very much, he like at all the British school food. The next question, what time does Fred's mother come home? His mom gets home usually between 5:30 and 6. How many lessons has Fred in the morning? Fred's school starts at 8:30 and then he has 2 lessons which go until 10:15. What usually Fred does in the afternoon? He goes home and usually read book or watch television. Well, student, this is the lesson for today and the answer. I expect that you clarify the meaning and of course I expect that you can let the comments below in the link below. Thank Carol and have a nice day. See you soon.